Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can efficiently cook your foods at the same time on Bloxburg. Select take ingredients, and I'm just going to make 2 items that you'll need the oven for. For instance, pizza. Let me just roll it out first. So you're actually just going to need 2 ovens, and I think it's very efficient to cook more food so you'll have a lot to stock. So what I like to do is I like to just make a pizza because you're just going to have to roll it and garnish it. Then once you're done, you're just going to put it in the oven and you're just going to leave it. So let's place the pizza in there. Take ingredients again, and I'm going to take maybe these muffins. Stir. And then I'm just going to then bake it in another oven. And then I'll have 2 foods cooking at the same time here. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.